What's the meaning of chasuble? Chasuble. Chasuble.
Chasuble. Chasuble. A chasuble is a liturgical vestment worn by Catholic and Anglican clergy during Mass or other religious services. It is a sleeveless outer garment that hangs from the shoulders and covers the front and back of the person wearing it, resembling a poncho. The chasuble typically matches the liturgical colors of the season, e.g. green for ordinary time, purple for Advent and Lent, white for Christmas and Easter, etc. Some chasubles feature intricate embroidery, often depicting religious or biblical scenes or symbols. The chasuble is an important symbol of the priest's office and his role as a celebrant of the Eucharist.